Oh,
Are you taking your pants off to go to the party? Okay, Josh. Yeah, put it back and sit down your potty. Yeah. No, it's not a hat. Potty. Yeah, okay. So what do you do? Sit down your potty now, please. Joshua, sit down the potty. Yeah, sit down on the potty, please. Good boy. But you have to take your pants off. Yeah, pants off. Huh? No, yours, not mine. Yours. Take your pants. Good boy. No, not mine, mommy. Yours.